Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Cloudflare WARP for privacy VPN, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and set up Cloudflare WARP for enhanced privacy, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Cloudflare website. In the search bar, type Cloudflare WARP and press enter. Look for the link that leads to the WARP download page. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. For Windows, double-click the installer to run it. For macOS, drag the WARP application to your Applications folder. On Android or iOS, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Cloudflare WARP. Download and install the app on your mobile device. After installation, open the Cloudflare WARP application. You will be greeted with an introduction screen. Review the information provided. In the app, tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. For mobile devices, you may need to allow VPN configurations in your device settings. Once connected, you will see a notification indicating that WARP is active. You can adjust the settings by tapping on the gear icon in the app. Explore options such as connection mode and preferences for optimal use. To disconnect, simply return to the app and tap the disconnect button. Regularly check for updates to ensure you are using the latest version. With Cloudflare WARP successfully set up, enjoy a more private and secure browsing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.